Morning students, welcome to the online session of Sunrise English Medium School. Today we will see the exercise of chapter number 14, our neighbors in space. So dear children, in the previous class we have to complete these all lessons and now we will see their exercise. Question number 1 is name all the planets of the solar system in the right order. So we have to write in correct order. First is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all planets present in our solar system. Second question is give information about the following. So first of all we write information about Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet and it is the largest planet in the solar system. The Sun. The Sun is the head of the solar system. Sun is the head of solar system. All the planets revolve around the Sun. It is huge ball of fire. It is the main source of energy in the solar system. Then Pluto. Pluto is one of the dwarf planet. Pluto is one of the dwarf planet which was earlier considered as a planets. Then the moon. The moon has mountains, valleys, old volcano sites and many ball-like holes called craters. Moon has a mountains, valleys, old volcano sites and many ball-like holes called craters. On its surface, it is not a luminous body, but it shines because it bounces back the light of the sun. Then Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Next question is, how is the Earth different from the other planet? The answer is because it support variety of life. Because Earth support variety of life, has water in liquid state and has an ideal temperature for living. Then number 4 is explain the following terms. First is equator. The equator is another imaginary line around the Earth which is at equal distance from both the poles and to equal parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Axis. The Earth has an imaginary line. The Earth has an imaginary line running through its center. This line is called axis. Then orbit. The Earth moves around the Sun. Earth moves around the Sun in a fixed path. Or orbit. Number D. Pole. The two opposite point on the earth. This is the opposite point on the Earth's surface through which its axis passes are known as pole. Number 5. How does rotation of the Earth cause day and night? The answer is the movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The rotation of the Earth on its tidal axis called day and night. Then number 6. How is revolution of the Earth responsible for change in season? Explain with a diagram. So I explain here and you all are draw the diagram also. First, the revolution of the Earth is responsible for the change in seasons when the Earth moves around the Sun on its tidal axis. Then half of the Earth is near the Sun and while the other half of the Earth is away from the Sun. The hemisphere near the Sun has longer and warmer days because the sun rays fall directly on it. Therefore, this hemisphere has summer season and the other hemisphere receive slanting rays of the sun. So it has a shorter and cooler days of the winter season. Now I show the diagram. This is the diagram you have to draw in this question. Okay. Then last question is, what is a star? A star is a huge ball of gases. A star is a huge ball of gases which gives out heat and light energy. So okay, our question answer is complete now. So thank you for watching.